Can HBO Max be shared? HBO Max allows account sharing, but it has limitations on simultaneous streaming and user profiles. While multiple users can access the same account, certain restrictions apply to ensure fair usage. First, number of simultaneous streams. HBO Max permits up to 3 simultaneous streams per account. If a fourth user attempts to watch content at the same time, they will be blocked from streaming until one of the active users stops watching. Second, profile management. HBO Max supports up to 5 individual profiles per account. Each profile maintains separate watch lists, recommendations, and parental control settings, making it easier for different users to personalize their experience. Third, device and location flexibility. Users can log into HBO Max on multiple devices, including smart TVs, computers, tablets, and smartphones. However, if too many users try to stream content beyond the 3-device limit, someone may be forced to log out. 4. HBO Max's terms of service on sharing. According to HBO Max's official terms, accounts are meant for household use only. While sharing outside the household is technically possible, excessive use across different locations could trigger security alerts or result in access restrictions. 5. How to share HBO Max. Step 1. Provide login credentials to the person you want to share with. Step 2. Have them log in on a compatible device. Step 3. Create a separate profile for each user if needed. Step 4. Ensure that no more than 3 users are streaming at the same time. Step 5. If login issues occur, check for simultaneous streaming limits or security warnings. 6. Managing account security. Since HBO Max does not have built-in family sharing features, sharing login details requires extra caution. Using a strong password and regularly monitoring account activity can help prevent unauthorized access. If an account is compromised, changing the password will immediately log out all users. 7. Future policy changes on sharing. HBO Max may introduce stricter account sharing policies in the future, similar to other streaming services that have begun limiting password sharing. Users who rely on sharing outside their household should be prepared for potential enforcement measures. HBO Max allows sharing with up to 5 profiles and 3 simultaneous streams, but it is intended for household use. Users should manage access carefully to avoid streaming conflicts and security risks.